Hello, this is Lori Girl on the Ridge. I am back with a flip through and a quick organizational tutorial. So this is a file folder for Mary. Mary, hello, I hope you're feeling better. She wanted the pink one. So we have, this is just the front. Oh, here we go. Well, that is, did that flip up? Yep, this flips up. It will. And then this is just a little tuck spot. And then it flips over. Like I said, this is just the front. And she flips up. And then there's just a little tag in the bag. And then you can put something in the envelope. And then if you want to put pictures or something there. So that's the front. And then you open it. And it is quite pink. So that's the whole look. So we will just start on this side. Let's see if I can zoom you in just a little. Maybe. Or maybe not. There we go. So here, let's see, this flips over. And then this flips, this has just some torn paper for writing. And that flips all the way over so you can put something there. This just flips this over. And there's a time card in there in the glassine bag, and that flips over. Then here is a notepad. And then in here is a piece of collage paper. And then a little booklet, just a little flip. And then a long flip. I just love making these. It's an addiction. And then in here is your book with this torn paper. There's 5 pages, so 10, 20 pages. So that goes in there. And that flips over. And then, when I get this in here, this flips up. And that just kind of holds her down. And there's a little collage tag in here. And then that opens up, and there's writing paper in here. Oh, man. And then this side opens up. And there's a seed packet in here. Do I have that in? Yep. With just some note paper. And then this is a envelope that I embossed and inked up. This one I was inspired by Miss Fiona. She was doing the old envelopes. I was watching her the other night. And there's just a receipt, this like a side-long receipt booklet. And that goes in here. And then this just lifts up. And then your other book. And this little a vintage doily with a little girl on it. And that goes in here. So that is, see, that closes like this. And it lifts up. Keep that down. This again. And that flips up. And then the back, I just kind of left this pretty simple because it was getting too fat. I just put some really pretty seam binding, and then the flower, and then this lifts up. And you can put pictures, or you can write, whatever you want to do. So that's for you, Mary. I will put this with your other things and mail it tomorrow. And the other thing I wanted to show you was, I love file folders. So this morning I had kind of a little issue, well, not an issue. You know, I was coming to work. I bring my stuff to work on. So this is good for somebody, you crafters that are working more than one place. You know, you might work in your craft room, or then you might want to, you know, take it downstairs or this or that. I put things in a bag. It gets squished in the bag. I got like 4 different kinds of bags to bring with me, and it doesn't work. So finally, what I did is I took 3 file folders. I folded them. I might have to zoom out so you guys can see again. Okay. And I just folded them so you had the little thing like that. And I didn't even decorate mine yet, but I just thought it worked so good today. I got a lot of my projects done. So you're just folding 3. So you have the little square. And then I just inserted them into each other. Kind of flip-flopped them. And then this one I would put, let's see, this way. Yeah. And then I took and I just did the, instead of the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, I did the 5-hole pamphlet stitch. And this is what I did. So I did the 5-hole pamphlet stitch. And then, like I said, I didn't even decorate it. I'm just using it. So what I did is I needed to have things that I'm working on at my fingertips when I'm not at my desk. So here are just a hand, I made pockets. I kind of went through to what I needed. So you can tailor fit it to what your needs are. So this is all my envelopes and the bag that's supposed to be in there already. This is my Nevermore Creations, some print-offs that I need to do in the next 2 days. So that's a pocket. Here was another bag where I put my bags because I was decorating bags. Here's a pocket I haven't put in yet. These are just the cutouts that if I want to make collages, I will. Oh, these are new print-offs that I printed off today. Of just, oh, isn't that pretty? It's antique papery and different things that I will be putting on my envelopes in the next couple days. So I put a pocket there. Here I just put 2 little pockets for all my ephemera or my like receipts and stuff. And then all my little flowers that I like to put like on the receipts, on the corner of the receipts. So even if I want to take this downstairs, I can just grab this, grab my glue, and I'm gone. And same thing here. I put different things, mostly the stuff to make tags. I was finding that this little stuff was just getting lost. I mean, I had my box at my desk, but like I said, I needed something to bring with me. These are for my kits that I'm making up, so I can fussy cut these or just, at least I know where they are. My doilies, so I made another little pocket. And I still got plenty of room. And then these are more flowers, Tsunami Rose flowers that I cut out. So that's what I did after having a temper tantrum. So like I said, I just put the 3 in. And I did the 5-hole pamphlet stitch. And that's the first time I ever did the 5-hole. So this is a great practice of making pockets and kind of making it the way you want it. So I thought I'd share that. If it helps one person, then that's good because it helped me. So that's probably, and I'm not going to say it's it for tonight because I'm not tired yet. So we'll see you soon. Bye.